omedo dongore. Komachielo eni ringre miyo moro ne okwany ka oiki e bur mathanthany e gweng Ngere, Wachara sub location e sub county Mandhiwa e county ma Homa Bay. Ringre no mabende nosechako kethore ne okwany gi jopuonjre mabende nogamo tik marach mane wuok e bur moro machiegni kod apaya. Jalup county commissioner Mandhiwa Lucy Ndemo ne oyango wach makamano ka olero ni ringre no ne oiki e burno mabende ne kod osakwe mag bando.
It was reported yesterday through the Assistant Chief Wachara sub-location that there was a suspected human body in a shallow grave. The DCI officers went to the court and got an exhumation order from the Waro court, and we visited the scene. We were able to establish that school-going children from Ngere village were attracted by a foul smell from a nearby farm. Dogs were also spotted gathering around the same area. We removed a canopy of dried maize stalks that were heaped at that spot, and that is when they saw some human body.
Ndemo ne oluwo ni ringre no ne ok nyal yangi malong'o gi jogweng makono kalure kod kaka ne osechako kethore ka owacho ni nyalo bedo ni ne onege kamachielo kapok ne oike kanyo.
The scene has been exhumed. Body was found that was decomposed. So the body has been taken to the Homa Bay County Referral Hospital, mortuary for preservation and also awaiting other processes. We are appealing to anybody who could have lost a female member of their family or neighbor to follow up so that they are able to identify the body. It will require probably some kind of DNA testing because it is not easy to recognize physically because of level of decomposition.
Well, the county